This is the story of how James sold his inherited Kingsport, Tennessee home as is. It needed updating, his family was ready to upsize, and they closed without a single repair. They'd always known it was a stepping stone, and selling it as is let them move straight into buying something bigger. Here's how it happened. When James inherited a home in Kingsport, Tennessee, it came with something rare, a place he and his family could actually live in. They moved in, made it their own, and used the time to get their finances in order. But over the years, a few things became undeniable. The house needed updating, cosmetic work, aging systems, and the kind of deferred maintenance that accumulates quietly until it isn't quiet anymore. And just as clearly, his family had grown out of the space. They needed more room, and the equity locked in the inherited property was the most direct path to getting it. The obvious move was to list the house. But the more James looked at what that would actually require, the more complicated it became. A traditional listing meant repairs and updates before the home would be competitive. It meant contractor timelines that could push a closing out by months. It meant money spent up front on a property he was trying to exit, with no guarantee the investment would come back at closing. And it meant showing the house while his family was still living in it, a disruption no one was excited about. So every version of the conventional path worked against them. Spend on a home they were leaving, wait out contractor timelines, live through showings with the family still inside, risk a financed buyer walking after the inspection. None of it got them any closer to the bigger home they actually needed. Then James came across the option of selling an inherited property directly for cash and reached out to Favor Home Solutions. They buy inherited homes across Kingsport and all of Tennessee, in any condition, with no repairs and no commissions, on a timeline built around the family. The appeal was clear. Skip the repairs, skip the showings, and walk away with the equity they needed to move forward. From there, it was exactly what he'd hoped for. First, Favor Home Solutions assessed the property as is and made a straightforward cash offer that accounted for its current condition. No repair contingencies, no request to update the kitchen first, no inspector's report turned into a renegotiation tool. Then, the closing timeline was set around James's family, giving them time to find their next home before handing over the keys. And finally, they closed, collected the proceeds, and walked directly into the upsizing process. Here's what James and his family walked away with. The home sold completely as is, cosmetic work, aging systems, deferred maintenance, and all, with nothing to fix. The equity was unlocked, proceeds in hand to put toward a bigger home. And the timeline fit the family time to find the next place before handing over the keys. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on updates before selling. 0 showings while the family still lived there. Favor Home Solutions took the home exactly as it stood and closed around their move-up plan. And the inherited house finally became what it was always meant to be, a foundation for the next chapter. No money sunk into a property they were leaving. No months of contractor timelines. No disruptive showings. No financed buyer backing out at inspection. The gift and the logistical puzzle became, at closing, a clean step up. The result. James and his family closed when they were ready to go, collected the proceeds, and moved straight into buying something bigger, exactly the stepping stone they'd always known the house could be. Maybe James's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee families in all kinds of circumstances. An inherited home that needs updating, ready to cash out and upsize, multiple heirs to coordinate, closing an estate cleanly, any condition, or simply wanting a simple, certain sale. If you've inherited a home in Kingsport or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is, no repairs, no commissions, a fair offer and a close on your family's timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.